Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. In front of me I have two oil pumps. On this side I have a recently taken out 2018 oil pump. And on this side I have the brand new 2020 oil pump. I wanted to show you the differences. To start out, the feed gears are the same. 10 lobes, 10 lobes. The big change is in the scavenger gears and the oil pump. Let's go to the scavenger gears. On 2018, all the way up to 2019, I guess from the original Milwaukee 8, we have 10 gear teeth. On the brand new 2020, we have 8 teeth. Comparing it, it's like 10 small cups versus 8 big cups. The 8 teeth will scavenge more oil out of the Harley-Davidson Milwaukee 8. The new oil pump body was, of course, made to size for the new smaller OD 8 teeth scavenger gear set, but there's also other differences I want to show you. Since 2017, we have this area here that scavenged from the cam cover area and this area from the crankcase. It is a 60% and 40% pulling out oil out of the motor. In the new pump, Harley-Davidson has matched with the 8 teeth gear. We have 50% coming from the cam cover and 50% coming from the crankcase. This gives you a better scavenging effect throughout the motor. One last piece that is slightly different is the final cap near the inside edge of the oil pump. They updated in 2019 this seal versus the 2018, and they've kept this. Now they have reshaped this piece and put an identifier of the 20. There's this little nub that you can see if you take the cam cover off and look in, that you'll be able to identify. But it's easier to identify this pump by looking at the part number. The part number will be what you will be pulling for your motorcycle, and that is quite visible when you have the cam cover off. What does this mean for you? Better oil control, better oil performance in your Milwaukee 8. Now, the complete unit is retrofittable back to the 2017. I wanted to share with you the oil pump that I am showing you today is from an oil-cooled Harley-Davidson. The twin-cooled has the recent updates in the 2020. It's just shaped a little bit differently. The part number for the 8-lobe Scavenger Complete oil pump is 624000247. On a side note, the brand new 131 motor that Harley-Davidson has brought up, they highly suggest you install the 2020 oil pump. So it is my suggestion, if you're going into your M8 from 2017 all the way up to 220, and you are updating the cams to possibly the torque or the horsepower cam or the 515 cam, you might want to update your oil pump too to the brand new 2020. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.